Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Again, thank you guys so much for coming over. Appreciate you guys so much, man. If you are new to the channel, welcome on in, and thank y'all for helping me keep great music alive. Now, if you're new to this video, didn't see the one I did before, rest in peace. You know, again, man, the fact that I just kind of got into ZZ Top, again, if you guys are new to this channel, I have more reactions up to them that I'll leave at the end of this video with like 20 seconds left. My playlist should pop up. But my wife let me know we were out there in lunch, and she was like, Dusty Hill from ZZ Top passed away. And I was like, oh no. And I already knew the requests were going to come in rightfully. So, like I said, I was in LA. You know, we were just out there eating lunch and stuff. Today is Wednesday. I'm just saying this just because I don't know if these videos might get blocked or not. Just trying to get them up today. I'm gonna try to. But yeah, we got Velcro Fly. What a title. When you think of Velcro, you think it's strong, it sticks. So trying to see where they go with this video, man. But again, appreciate all the love, you guys commenting, letting the brother know, man. Rest in peace again, brother. Rest in peace. So we ain't gonna waste no more time. Let's jump right into it. Y'all used to dance like this? I'm like, damn, did they speed up the video? No. Well, that thing was shaking that chicken wing. Yeah. Let's go back. Look at him, boy. Look at ZZ Top go. Hey, that was fun. Oh man, that was a lot of fun. A lot of fun to see these brothers getting down, doing some tutting, doing a little tutting and stuff. Velcro Fly. You know, they got a lot of songs. They do. I feel like I reacted to all of the ones that people might hear the most. You know, so when you get songs that aren't requested as much, it's like a pleasant surprise to, you know, when you really enjoy it, because, you know, so many of their other songs have been requested, and it feels like a lot of these maybe fell under the radar a little bit, but they're still great. This was just really fun to see these brothers dancing and stuff, man. Again, rest in peace, brother. Oh, you know, I don't feel like y'all feel, because y'all knew of ZZ Top. I don't want to, you know, act like I'm, you know, feeling the same pain y'all might be feeling just because I'm newer to them. But I can understand, you know, where you guys are coming from. Like I said, when you guys be requesting, just to try to, you know, keep the memory alive, man. So much great music out there that they have put out. But yeah, it's just crazy, man, because like I said, I've reacted to some artists that were still alive and then they passed away like after I reacted to them. So I only got like I'm just happy that they have a lot of stuff on YouTube that is, you know, able to watch, you know. That's why I like doing those vlogs I be doing, man, because it's like memories, you know. It's like a video album. But again, thank y'all so much for the request, letting the brother know. I appreciate y'all so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If so, go ahead. Y'all ain't got to like, share, and subscribe, man. Just thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. Peace out.